Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learner and I'm Taser. Welcome back to how to build a portfolio website using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript a little. So as you can see on my screen, so last week we have done our adjustment, removing the padding and everything and the tab icon logo stretching, and also we put up our menu link to individual page, and also when we mouse over it, so that will link to our menu. So, and also the title at the bottom, we have a video. So that's what we have done. So for today, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have an image at the bottom and the subtitle and text explanation. And also, at the bottom, we're gonna have a FAQ and question and answer, and that will be JavaScript. When I click on the question, so that will appear the answer. So I will try my best to touch it everything, put it in. But so let's take a look, so how long it takes. And so to get started, before that, I think I see the title is big and a little bit short. So, and also the video, it's not aligning to the center. So let's make it that one first. So to do that, go back to your CSS style. So then we open style, and the font size that we put it like 36 pixel. So to make it small, I will put it like a 25 pixel, and I just save it file, refresh it. So yeah, 25 pixel is good. And also like margin top is good. What if margin bottom? So I needed margin bottom will be 40 pixel, so that we will have a little bit bigger gap. Yep. And also the video, so for video tag, I will just type in video. I will not add the dot or front period for video, because the video element is not defined by us, because this is a HTML building element. So for video, we don't need a dot or period at the front. So curly brace in between, we're gonna have it. Video has to be display block. So gonna have a block, and also after that, to make it center, so margin, that will be top and bottom 0, and left and right auto. So, and also after that, we're gonna make it size. So the video size, if you want a size, so you just type it width or height. So I will put it width, and also I will put it like what if you can put it like a pixel sizing, so that will be 700 pixel. So let's take a look first. So when I save the file and then go back to browser, now you can see that my video is at the center, and also smaller to 700 pixel. But what if we want it like we have a container that is 1200 pixel? So to make it the percentage of the container, so to do that, if I put it like 100%, so if I remove 700 pixel and then just type it 100%, so that will be my container size. Now you can see that my container size is fit to my video, and also the video is fit to the container size. But what if I want it like 80 pixel? So 80 pixel of my container. So my website, the container, so that will be 80 pixel of my container. So that's the way to do it. So so to do that, sorry, I was saving the browser and save the file. And also, I think, what if we want to make it like a round corner at the video? So to do that, in video CSS, I'm going to type it like a border radius. So that will be simply border radius, and I'm going to type it, what if 20 pixel, and just save the file. And now you can see that video is at the center, and we make it round. Okay, so to add go back to my my website. So we have an image, we have a branding, subtitle, and the text. So to edit all, we will go back to our HTML file. So in HTML, because I want to show you, but to make it like easier editing, so what I would recommend is to just make it, let's say you have a container div opening here, and make that div aligning straight closing div, so that when we have a closing and opening, even now you can see that now I'm mixing the /, so I can just simply, this is my container, and I will just type it just like that and then save the file. And also if let's say the div is going inward a little bit, so that will be a little bit confusing. So what about we have an opening here. If we put it straight a bottom line, so that will be much more easier that we have an opening and closing, so visually better to edit. So I will put it that way. I will save the file. And also, like I said, we're going to edit like an image. So to do that, we need a group for each. So I will add the group for image. So that will be, I have this image and subtitle text, so that will be group, and also one more image website text, so that will be one group, and combining these two into a group, and we're gonna make it grid template. So to do that, and also the video is playing and my recording is already disturbing, so to stop the video playing, I will go back to HTML, so I will remove all the autoplay and the loop. So for now, if you want it, you can put it back. So to add an image, so I'm gonna type it we're gonna have one more container for it. So I will remove this line, and this will be my container closing div, and just press enter and one more enter, and I'm gonna type it dot container. So that will be my container for my images. So I just put it, and also I will have one image group that will be dot image and dash group dash and 1, so that will be image group 1, and press the tab key, so you know that. So now I'm doing a shortcut, and also one more image group, like I said, so that will be, I can type it div as you know, so to make it quick, so I will just type image and dash 1, that will be image group 1, and its own title and text paragraph. So I will just press tab, and now we're gonna have it our image, so that will be img and tab key. So source file will be locate your file, so make sure that you have your file located, and also we need an extension, so that is more important. So I will just get the branding, so copy the file name, so to copy the file name and then paste it, and in the source, so that will be paste, and branding, don't forget to put it .html. And when I save the file, let's go back to our browser. So now when I refresh it, so let me take a look why we are not seeing the image tag branding dot. Also we have a HTML, so now you can see that the mistake that we made. So branding dot, so that should have be JPG, so JPEG file. Save the file. Let's take a look, refresh it. So now we have our images loaded in our website. So and then go back to HTML and alternate, we will have branding, so that in case we don't have a connection error or whatever, so we will have a little bit text displaying for our image, so that will be branding image. And also that image is linked to our a branding page. So to do that, so we know that we have to add in between the A text, so just press A key and press tab key on your keyboard. And also closing A tag will be at the back, so I will cut it and move it to the back of this branding image. And after that, we need where we're gonna link the file, so that will be our branding, so branding.html. That's the same with our menu here, so with the ally. So and then after that, we're gonna have this images linked to our individual page, and also we're going to have it a title. Subtitle will be, what if we put it H2, just press tab key in between, we're going to have it as the same thing. So we're going to type it branding, so we're going to have a branding, and after that we're going to press enter, and we will have a paragraph, so that will be in paragraph let's copy from my website, so that make it quick. I will just copy the text here, and I will paste it to my paragraph, and now that's it. Now when you see that the long line, if you want to make it short for visually, so when we enter, so that will so make it a little bit visually nicer in Visual Studio Code. And also the other things, if you press enter and go into the next line, so that will not affect to our browser in our website. So let me take a look, refresh the browser. So now you can see that our text is just one line, is not breaking as we even if we make it like a 2-3 lines. So what if I press it down again and save the file and go back to browser? Now you can see that it is the same. So one thing to know is in HTML, in Visual Studio Code, in HTML code, so when you enter it, so going to the next line, it will not affect to our website in our browser unless you make it break. So what if we put it like in between? We can put it like a BR, so that will be break. So I will not do that. And also visually, to get it easier, I will put it one line, so put it back in one line. And that's what we have for our image group one. Let me see the browser. So go back to your browser. Now you can see the image and the text is loaded. And also I will have a padding for everything. So let me put it one more image group so that we can do the styling together. So to do that, I will just simply copy everything. So that will be my main subgroup. So copy it. So image one group, and at the bottom we're gonna have a image two group. So that was same thing, image two. And instead of branding, we're gonna have what if we're gonna have, let me see the picture. Okay, what if we're gonna have illustration? So that will be illustration, and also the file will be our illustration file. So I will just illustration, and so save the file, and also the text will be here. The title H2 will be illustration. So it depends on you. So whatever, like what title you want it, you can just put it in. So that will be illustration. So, and also after that we have branding. So that will be the text I will copy from my website. So now it's a website. What if we just put an illustration here? So this is for just example how to build a website, guys. So the text, the title, so everything you can change it, make it your own. So I'm gonna have it pasted in between and save the HTML. And let's go back to our browser, refresh. So now we can see, my image and subtitle, text, everything is up. So to style it in CSS, so go back to your CSS, and what we're gonna need is we're gonna have it all the image one group and image two group, H1A, everything. So that will be, I will just simply put the padding. So to do that, so I will put image. So now we're gonna need a period up front, because that's what we define, image dash one, and also we have a image and comma. So when we want to edit more than one element or like HTML text, so you can just put a comma here, and also after that H2, and we're gonna have a paragraph. So all that element, so I want to keep it like a padding. So that will be, what if 20 pixel, so that everywhere is a 20 pixel. Save the file. Let's take a look. Now you have it like image and text and everything is 20 pixel padding. So, and then now let's look at it. My website that we have image and text is 11, right? So that will be, we can do that using the, same as our menu. So that will be flex. But for now, I will not use the flex for this, because I want to show you the other thing as well. So that will be a grid template. So to do that, what I will type is I will just not in the image one group. So that will be the upper group, the image group one. That is a main group. So you get it. Even you can copy the class name here. So to avoid a mistake, just copy the file, and in the text you just paste it, and at front I'm gonna edit like a period, and after that the curly brace. And what we're gonna do is we have this display, that will be grid. So we're gonna type it grid, and also a grid template column. So that will be a repeat. So we want it repeat, and so if you don't want it no repeat, we can use it no repeat. We're gonna want it repeat, and or no repeat, whatever we want it. So that will be 2 columns and comma. So we don't want it a fraction. So that will be a 1 FR. So if you want it like a column, so one more column, so that will be 2 FR. So I will just put it 1 FR and save the file, and let's look at it browser. Now you can see that our branding and then all the text and everything is left and right, but or like touching or squeezing into the middle. So I mean, like even the background color is not like contrasting our picture. So to do that, I will go to my body tag. So that will be at the top in body. So what I can add is I will add the background color. So background color will be not really white because it's already white in our picture. So I will put it like a little bit gray and make it hash. So click on the top and then you will get the hash value. And I will just save the file and go back to your browser and reload it. So now you can see that your picture and everything is loaded. So now you can see that my image 2 is not aligning because we are not like adding our padding the same as image 1. So we're gonna keep it image 2 all elements the same as image 1. So copy the image 1 CSS and paste it at the bottom. So okay, so at the top we're gonna need a period, and so that will be image 2, and we're gonna keep it the same. So even I copied it all, so it's not including. So let me copy it all here and copy the bottom. So we're gonna put it in between, paste it. So that way image 2, save the file, and now you take a look at the browser, and now you can see that everything is aligned left and right. Everything is like a spacing evenly. But one thing we will notice that the image is like over into our container sizing. So because we have a maximum our website size that the image and all the text is overtaken. So to make a correction, I will go back to my image size. So that will not be in our group. So we're gonna individually define the size for all our image and our text. So that will be go to your we can put it like an image 1 image here. So what if we put it like dot image dash 1. So and also that will be image. So I just type image and that will be h2, and even we can put it at the top, So what if we put it like instead of padding, I'm gonna have it like a width. So for everything, so I'm gonna have a width. It's the same thing we did it like in video. So what I kind of type is what if 80% to take a look. So that will be save the file. Now you can see that the 80% is not taking the 80% of our container, but instead, so the 80% is taking the, we have a 2 grid here because I put it like 2 and 1 F. So that means like we will have a 2 column and 1 row. So now the image is taking the 1 column and 80% of that column. So what we need is it's not 80% of that column. We need is like 100% of that column. So to do that, we will not put it 80%. So we just remove the width. So that will be 100%. We want it like a full grid for our image. So that will be just like that. And also same thing to my right image. So to do that, go to your image 2 and padding. I'm gonna put it like a width. So that will be 100% too. So that will be 100%. So when you save the file, get it. So and now you can see that. So my image and all the text is maintained and contained in the container. So it is not like overflowing or like overtaking our container. So this is the way to do it. And also, so our image is linked and also our branding. So so I missed it. So we need a branding, the subtitle to link it to do that. So I will go back to my HTML. So what we need is we need to link our title as well. So simply put an A tag. So and also the closing A tag will be at the back. So just cut it, paste it at the back. Same thing. So what we're gonna need is that will be branding.html. So even we can copy from top. So we can copy it and just paste it branding.html. And also we're gonna have it same thing at the bottom, illustration. So a tag, and also that will be our illustration. So it's the same at the top. So I'm gonna copy and then paste it in between HIEF. So paste it, and I'm gonna have it. So that's the file. So that's it. Once we have link a tag, or don't forget to put a closing tag, cut it to the back. I'm gonna save it and just save the file and go back to your page. And now you can see that when I mouse over to my branding, that is, I changed my cursor pointer to the cursor pointer to this pointer, from arrow to this pointer. So now we have linked everything. Okay, now the image and subtitle, everything is looking good, but we need a top and bottom gap so that that will be look better. So looking better. So to do that, I will go back to my CSS. So what we need is now, in the main group, in image group 1, what I'm gonna add is margin top and margin dash top. That will be 20 pixel, and also after that I'm gonna add it margin bottom. So that will be margin bottom. So that will be 20 pixel. 40 pixel? So 40 pixel, and save the file. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's better. And even push it more up, so to the top bottom, so that will be, keep it like a 40 pixel too. So to the top, yeah, this is better. So now we have a little bit better spacing. And that's it. I will not add more images, guys, because it's very easy. So what you can do is, simply you just copy your group. So that will be image 1 group here, from here to image 2 group. So you just copy that one. And what you can do is copy, and then just simply paste it at the bottom. So that will automatically add your images in your website. So it's very easy. So it's now even taking a little bit longer. So now you can see that my images is added. So it depends on you. How many images you want to edit. So you just simply copy and paste that image 1 group and 2 group. So I will not do that. So to do that, I will keep moving forward to the FAQ, that section that we will edit more JavaScript if we can. Continue to the FAQ. Now we have it, a website on the images. So that's it. So at the bottom, we're gonna have a FAQ. So in FAQ section, so what we're gonna have is I just added one more div for it. So one more container for it. So that will be a container. So under the container, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have a FAQ content. So that will wrap all the FAQ question and answer. So that will be FAQ content. So under FAQ content, so we're gonna have it after that, under the content, we're gonna have a main FAQ title. So that will be .faq dash title, and that will be my class title. Now we're gonna have it H1 for the title. So that will be FAQ. That's it. So big text for FAQ. And after that, I'm gonna have it the next one is we're gonna have it a question. So that will be we just the concept that if you're writing JavaScript, it depends on you. You give a name, you separate individual class so that make it easier for you to write a JavaScript. So for me, what I will do is I will keep it like a parent and child concept. So to do that, so I will just have .faq parent. So dash parent parent. So that will be my question. So I will just put in FAQ parent. I will have what if that will be H3. So I'm gonna have it H3. I will just simply copy so that to make it easier and faster. So here from what is different, and then copy it. And after that, paste in your Visual Studio Code. So that will be just paste it like that. And also I will have one more child answer. So that will be .faq dash child, and that will be tab. And also in between, we're gonna have it a paragraph. So for all the text that is smaller paragraph, put in the P tag. And also I will go back to my website and copy the text here. So until here, I will just copy, and I'm gonna paste it in between a P paragraph and save the file. And after that, you can what we can do is it's the same thing. So I mean, like we just copy the parent and child maybe 2-3 times. So that will be just at the bottom, just paste 1 and parent FAQ H3 and just change the text and all the question and answer. So that will be how long will it take. I just copy and I will paste it. So that will be second parent. So what is a bit trend? I will change this question and paste it. Even here gap, I will just delete it. Also, what we're gonna have is the error answer. So that will be this one, copy, and I'm gonna paste in the paragraph. So just paste in between the paragraph. Just save the file, go back to your browser. Let's reload it. So, okay, there you go. So now we have a FAQ, we have our paragraph and our title and our question. So everything is loaded. So what if we added one more question and answer? So that will be just simply copy these two, parent and child, copy. So that will be the third one. So I will just edit, just go back to your browser, get it one more question. What if make it a little bit short? So this one will be copy and I'm gonna paste it in the H3 tag and answer will be, so that will be answer and copy, just paste it here. So that will be my answer in between the P tag. So I will just paste it just like that. And after that, I'm gonna save and let's take a look at our browser and refresh. So there you go. So we have it like we have a FAQ, we have a title and the question and answers. So, but now is everything showing, so we're gonna write the, some paragraph we will hide it for now. And as you can see on my website, so we're gonna hide all the answer. And when I click on the question, so it will show our answer. So that's the concept. So that will be in the next tutorial. So I will stop the tutorial here, guys. Thank you for watching. And hopefully you will learn something, and please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe Creative Learner YouTube channel and in Facebook page, like and share it to your friends as well. So hopefully I will see you in next tutorial.